Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm the CEO of Revival Drinks Limited. So Revival Drinks is the #1 rehydration company in the UK. We sell a range of powders designed to help rehydrate you and power through your day to help you live your best life. So the way it works is you take one of our sticks, you mix it with 500 ml of water and you mix it up and drink it. You can take it in the morning as a coffee replacement, after the gym or after a run to help you rehydrate, or after a big night to help you wake up feeling fresh. So as a company, we've been expanding rapidly in recent years and we've just moved into our brand new premises here in Portishead. As you can see, we're a pretty high volume retailer. We sell thousands of these boxes every week and we need an efficient way to get these boxes from the loading bay up here and back down again on a daily basis. And that's why we came across Conveyor online and they installed a conveyor belt for us, which is fantastic. So we came across Conveyor online and we got in touch with them. Within a few days they arranged a site visit for us and they recommended Easibelt, and within a few weeks we were all set up and ready to go. I would highly recommend Coveya to other companies who are looking for an Easibelt solution, fast, efficient and great customer service.